friction problem, a 180 Newton block is placed on a rough horizontal surface as shown in figure. So 180 kg Newton of block weight of the block is placed in the horizontal surface. Knowing that block is just slide for P equal to 60 Newton. Okay, so P equal to 60 Newton force is applied to the block at the angle of 20 degree. Okay, this angle is 20 degree. So okay, the Pங்கிற force வந்து angle 20 degree angle இந்த blockல act ஆகுது. To find the coefficient of friction mu. Okay, to find the coefficient of friction, so block weight is 180 Newton. Okay, first we want to draw the free body diagram. Okay, so first free body diagram is the rough horizontal surface. Okay, this is the 180 Newton block. Okay, so the force is acting. Okay, P force is push. Okay, is the forward direction at the angle of 120 degree. Okay, at the angle of 20 degree. Okay, this angle is 20 degree. Okay, so the rough horizontal surface. Okay, so weight of the block is 180. Okay, 180 Newton. This is the downward direction is 180 kg. So opposite is reaction force, R N is the normal reaction force. Okay, the next is the force P, the forward apply பண்றோம். So frictional force is என்ன பண்ணும், ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பண்ணும். ஓகே, இந்த ஃப்ரிக்ஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ் சர்ஃபேஸுக்கும் இந்த பிளாக்கு ஃப்ரிக்ஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணும், இந்த பிங்கிற ஃபோர்ஸ் அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது டு ரெசிஸ்ட் த motion of the block. Okay, is the opposite to the P. Okay, is the frictional force P FF in the backward direction. Okay, so this is force is perpendicular to vertical to the block. This R1 is also vertical to the block. This FF is the horizontal. Okay, parallel to the block. This one is inclined to the block. Okay, so we want to convert the parallel or vertical direction. Okay, this force is acting in the clockwise direction. Okay, so reaction force acting in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, this opposite side is sine. Okay, P sine 20 degree. Okay, so downward direction, X direction is downward and forward. P, so adjacent side is P cos 20 degree. So this is the totally 5 forces. Okay, 3 is the vertical forces, 2 is the horizontal forces. Okay, this is the free body diagram of the given block. Okay, 180 Newton block. It's a free body diagram. Okay, 180 kg block downward, normal reaction is upward, frictional force is opposite to the applied force P. So P is component force of P sin 20 and P cos 20. Okay, so opposite is the clockwise direction, component force is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so sum of vertical forces equal to 0. Okay, so it's a vertical forces Rn is a normal force, reaction is positive, upward force is positive, downward is negative, forward is positive, backward is negative. Okay, so Rn is the vertical forces, upward is the positive. So next one is P sin 20 is the downward negative. Next one is minus 180. Okay, totally 3 vertical forces. So Rn is positive, another 2 is negative forces equal to 0. So Rn is equal to 60 into, so P value is 60 Newton, sin 20 into 180, sin 20 is 0.913. So solve பண்ணா Rn is equal to 235 Newton force acting. This is the normal reaction force is 235 Newton. So next, sum of horizontal forces equal to 0. So horizontal forces P sin cos 20, P cos 20 is positive, minus F is the backward force is a negative, is equal to 0. Sum of horizontal forces equal to 0. So FF equal to mu Rn. Okay, frictional force is equal to coefficient of friction into normal reactions. So P cos 20 is 6, P is 60, cos 20 is 0.408, ff equal to mu rn. So replace பண்றேன். So ff is replaced by mu rn. So mu rn is equal to 0. So 60 into 0.408 is 25. Mu rn is equal to 235. Already is find out 235 into mu. So 235 mu is equal to 25. So mu equal to 0.106. Okay. The frictional force coefficient of friction between the block and horizontal surface is 0.106. Okay. Thank you.